This is a brief overview on how to use our new templating system. I'm just going to go over how to create a template here. So what you want to do is open up your plugin directory and go to the FuneralPress folder. As you can see, it's right here, loaded in Dreamweaver. The template folder is right in templates, and you can see a bunch of different templates here. Your main templates for the single obituary page are right here. This is the default template, and this is our new alternate template. And you can see our new template here. Let's click on this one. So this is our new template design. Our last template design, it was a tab system. This is a lot nicer. It has a better mobile view. So let's log in. And there's a setting in the main settings tab to allow you to change the template. This is a global setting, so whatever you set here is going to change the template for every single obituary. So right now we're using the plugin alternate. It's the new version that we have. You can see that we can change it to our old template here, or a special template that I made in my theme folder, which I'll show you. So we're going to keep it as that and go to the front end. And let's click on Bob Marley. So you can see this is our using our default template here. Everything's pretty basic. If you wanted to switch this up and say you wanted to make a custom template just for Bob Marley, this is how you do that. So what you want to do is open up Dreamweaver or whatever editor you're using. Copy one of these obituary files. This is the file here. You can switch all this around. This is just how we have it set up. So this is our main tab template. So copy that into your theme folder. So here in our plugin folder, it's in templates. Now let's go to our theme folder. What you want to do is create a new folder right in your theme, and this can go in your child theme as well, called WP-FuneralPress, and copy that obit alternate right in that folder. So whatever changes you make in this template is going to affect your template on the front end. So if we wanted to make a global change to this obit alternate template, let's start. Copy this over. Okay, so if you wanted to make a change to this template, let's say we wanted to put the date first. So you would find the date, which is right here, which is right under the name, and you can just move this right above and upload it. And you can see the dates now up there. You can switch around any elements here. If you wanted the image somewhere else, or the share tab somewhere else, that's all in here. let's see. So to go over a few things in the template, we have the image right here. There's a couple filters. You might want to keep those in there. They do various things with the plugin. Um, so we have your view counter here, and you can move that wherever you want. See, this is the right column, date, name, service information, um, obituary notes right here, and then you have your sharing buttons. Just all you have to do is just copy that and paste it somewhere else. And then we have our main obituary content, which is the actual obituary, but that goes for everything else as well. So you know that little piece of code also controls this guestbook here. So that's how you modify one of the default templates. If you wanted to actually create a brand new template, what you would do is you would just take this base template here, whichever base template you want to start with, and copy it and give it a new name. So right here, I named this one obit alternate modified.php. So this is a special template I made just for Bob Marley. I put a bunch of custom text in there, and I put a YouTube video right in there, so I embedded that directly in the right column. And then I switched up some colors. I just put some styles right in there, and let's upload that. So let's edit Bob Marley. Since this is a specific template just for him, we can go ahead in the obituary and change this template out. And you can do the same thing. You can change out a default template or whatever you want to do. Or if, say, you had 10 different templates you wanted to use, like a veterans template, different types of templates you wanted to create, those would all show up here as long as you uploaded them in your theme folder. And so let's select this one, save, and now let's go back and refresh this. So you can see there's a lot of changes here. I changed the colors, I added this video here, and you can do a lot more than that. You don't have to even keep the two-column format. You can change it up and do here. I could change these buttons. I could change the light a candle. This is just the basic demo on how to create a template. So that's how you create a custom template. There are other templates inside the template folder. So you have loops, which is a folder for all the obituary lists. So you have the block, list, and thumbnails. And that's going to show up whenever you go to the obituary listings page, which is right here. And we are using block mode. So if I wanted to change that, all I would do is copy this from my theme directory. Now this is the block. Go to themes, go to my FuneralPress directory inside my theme, loops, and copy that directly in there. And then you can open this up and switch that around and set it up however you want. So the other templates we have are the search. You can change the search form, the sharing tabs if you want to remove that or switch it up. We're using a jQuery add-on for that called JS Socials, so if you wanted to extend on that, you could. And that's about it. That should let you control pretty much everything about in FuneralPress. If you have any questions, post in the forums, submit a ticket. We're happy to help. Thanks.